What if your study tools could actually learn from you? I'm Tanike, and today I'm showing you how to build a dynamic, personalized quiz system using A2UI and Gemini. Get ready to see Google Workspace do things you didn't know were possible. This demonstration showcases an adaptive learning agent built with A2UI, Gemini, and Google Apps Script. Unlike standard chatbots, this solution integrates deeply with the Google Workspace ecosystem. The user initializes a session by requesting a personalized quiz on Google Apps Script basics. Gemini generates a structured JSON response containing targeted questions and UI components. A2UI dynamically renders this interactive interface on the front end. The agent presents technical questions, such as range manipulation, to assess the user's current coding knowledge level. Behind the scenes, a feedback loop architecture is at work. The system utilizes the active Google Sheet as a persistent memory store. As the user answers, their performance is validated and logged. This data allows the agent to adjust the difficulty of future sessions, ensuring an efficient learning curve. This is the core value of the application, the performance analysis dashboard. Instead of a simple score, the agent provides qualitative feedback. It identifies key strengths, assesses weaknesses, and suggests strategic next steps based on recorded historical data. To demonstrate versatility, we switch contexts entirely without changing the underlying code. The user asks for Chinese restaurants in New York. The agent immediately transitions from an educational tutor to a transactional assistant, rendering rich media cards complete with images. The A2UI protocol handles complex interactions seamlessly. Here, the user triggers a multi-field booking form. The agent processes the party size, date, and dietary requirements, finalizing the transaction within the interface. This proves that A2UI on Google Apps Script can handle diverse workflows, from adaptive learning to real-world tasks.